Hi guys, my name is Manas Patil and welcome to the White Pixel Studio. Today I'm gonna teach you how you can make spaceship in Blender. This is a fully beginner friendly course, so you don't have to worry about that you are yet you don't have any knowledge in Blender. I will teach you from scratch. So first of all, to make the spaceship, you just have to delete this cube. By just pressing X, you can delete the cube. Then by just you can here go to the mesh, or you simply just press Shift A. By pressing Shift A, you can select the shape whatever you want to bring in the Blender screen. So I'm taking a UV sphere. So and after taking that, this bottom left icon from this, we can just select the size and pixels in the sphere. So just make it 16 and the rings to 8. So it would be helpful for us to make the further process. I'm just minimizing this. First, you have to rotate the sphere. So to rotate the sphere, what we have to do is you have to just press R and press 90 in your screen. But you can see that the sphere is not aligned well with these lines. This line is nothing but you know that Blender is a 3D space. As you learn in the maths, that this is a 3D space and this is a X plane, Y plane, and Z plane. So what we have to do so that our sphere is perfectly placed according to the lines. So first of all, we have to just press Ctrl Z. From Ctrl Z, we can reverse the step. You just have to press 1 in your keypad. After pressing 1, then again you have to press R and then you have to press 90 degree. And after pressing that, you can see that our sphere is perfectly placed according to the lines. So what we have to do next is we just have to press Tab in our keyboard and then select this vertex by just pressing mouse left click. Then we have to delete this vertex by pressing X. You can see that we just make a hole in our sphere so we can make the shape of our spaceship properly. So what we have to do is we just have to press the Alt and mouse left click. By doing that, as we can see that a ring in a sphere is selected, and then we just have to press E to extrude and extrude in as and X to extrude in X direction. Then again we have to press E and S to scale like that. Yes, I guess this is much better. Okay, so I what? Okay, so after pressing that, again you have to press E and then X to extrude in the X direction. I'm just checking whether it is aligned properly or not. And again pressing E and S, and then again we have to press E and X, and then again E and S. And after making this, we just have to press F to fill the remaining hole. You can see just pressing F, the remaining hole is automatically filled. So what we have to do next is, here you can see that this is a different modes in the edit modes. First of all, if you select this, then you can select the particular vertices. If you select this, then you can select the particular edges. And if you select this, then you can select the faces in the sphere like that. Okay, so we just have to select the second one. We have to work with edge. So what you have to do is you just have to select the alternate edges like that. Perfect. After selecting the edges, you have to press Ctrl B to bevel the edges. As you can see, I press Ctrl B to bevel the edges, and then you just have to press E to extrude these edges. You can see that. Isn't it look like perfect? Okay. And after that, we have to just select this mode, third one, and then select these faces. Make sure that you only select these faces, otherwise it's gonna make trouble to you. Yeah, while pressing shift, you can select multiple faces. Once you select the face, then again you have to press E and X to extrude these faces in the X direction, like that. Uh, this is not visible enough, so what I can do is make this visible. So you just have to go here, and then you just have to go here, just press this, and default it is on the studio mode. I selected math cap mode, and then you just have to increase this X-ray and shadow bar like that. As you can see that we can easily see the 3D mesh, and we just have to press Ctrl R to add extra loop cut here. After adjusting like that, we have to we have to go in the uh, face mode, and then by Alt Shift Alt, we again have to exclude this by pressing EX in X direction like that. And I think you just have to also exclude this by pressing EX. That's perfect. By pressing mouse right click, you can just first of all you have to go in the object mode, and then by pressing mouse right click, you can shade auto smooth. Yes, you can see that you can able to select the sphere auto smooth like that, or I don't like it anymore. Okay, so our core model is already ready. So just make the wings. Making the wings, we have to go in the object mode and then select Shift A, add the plane here. You can just add a plane here, and then press 1 to go the 2D mode, and then rotate the plane, same as you rotated the sphere. I guess in the press 3 and rotate the sphere. And then move the plane by pressing G, Y in the Y direction, like that. And then whenever you press 1, as we can see that our plane is in the side of our core. So what we can do with this is that we just have to press tab. After pressing tab, we enter in the edit mode. Then we have to select the first one, the vertices mode, and then select the first two vertices and press S to scale this like that. Yes. And then we have to select the bottom vertices, press 1 and press G, Z to move upward like this. Then select all the mesh and press Ctrl D to make duplicate of this like that, as you can see. Yes, Ctrl Z. After making duplicate of this, you have to press S Z -1. Pressing like that, you can see that our one more plane is created and which is superimposing our previous plane. So we just have to use the magnet-like icon, which is snapping tool. First of all, we just have to, by pressing G and Z, we just have to place down here like that. Yes. And then we have to press snapping tool. Yes. I guess snapping tool is not working, guys. So what we can do is that simply select this plane, then go to and press 1. Then what you have to do is just press T to duplicate and rotate it in 180 degrees like that. After rotating it into 180 degrees, you just have to carefully press G, Z, and and move as move move as fast as you can able to move the particular plane to with another plane. Then what you have to do next is just tap this vertices and tap vertices above the vertices and then press M to join vertices at center. You have to do the same with the other vertices. Press M and join it to center. Then you can see that the whole plane is a single piece now. Press A and G. You can see that we can move the plane. Let's Control A. Then we just scale that and then press E to extrude. Press E to extrude and X. You just have to press E and S, so we can extrude the shape like that. And then again E and S, something like that. Mm, make the wing like that. Guess this is perfect. And also adjust this wings a little bit. Yes, yes, X. Yes. Now it looks like a spaceship wing. You can also check uh, what is the current phase of this thing. You can see that red one is the phase means the topology of this wing is not correct. So to fix that, we just have to go to the mesh section and then go to the normal section and press recalculate outside faces. You can see that now the whole area is blue and the whole backward area is red. That's perfect. Like that. After this, you can able to see that the shape is start looking like spaceship wing. So you just have to press select first of all face mode and then press I. And like this sphere, you just have to select individual here. Again, let's have the color first. Press I here. You can see that the individual face is gonna select it. And then we have to just press E. Next, press press a little bit backward and like that. And then we have to select these faces. Press E to exclude outside. It's perfect. Then just press this little ring. Press X and delete faces like that. Now we can see that we just deleted the faces here. So after deleting these faces, we have to select the ring, inner ring by pressing Alt. And when we press Alt, we just have to make EX to press outside, tool set EZ like that, then ES to scale like that. And after doing that, E, ES, and then at last we have to press F. Now we are able to see that this wing is start looking like a proper plane wing. So what we have to do next is a plane wing is almost ready. So we just have to go to this modifier section and add subdivision surface modifier here. After adding it, we just select 3 here. Uh, to make the site more perfect, just add here little bit more loop cut by just pressing Ctrl R and add one loop cut here. Again pressing R and add one loop cut here like that. And again same with the outside. Press R, one loop cut here. Press R, one loop cut here. Okay. Now, as we can see that this wing is looking more accurate now. As we can see that our plane wing is made completely. So what we have to do next is we just have to make the duplicate of this wing by just pressing Shift D, Control Z, just pressing Shift D R 180. Just like that. Making it a little bit closer. And then we just have to fill. First of all, let's join these two wings by just pressing Ctrl J and then press tab. Select these two edges carefully and press F to fill like that. Mm, done with the other sides. While selecting these faces, you have to be careful to just not select like that. You are able to see I select wrong vertices and my face goes downward. So just you have to be careful while selecting these vertices. By pressing shift, you can select more than one vertices or edges. Press F. Here we can see. As we can see that we completed and locked the door like this. And after tapping this, ta-da, our wing is ready. You can see how beautiful our wing is looking. Isn't it beautiful? S in what direction? And let's make it a little bit slimmer, like that. Yes, this looks slimmer there. Just have to smooth set. And then once we make the wing like that, you just press 3 here. Mm, GY to move the wing. You just have to press select this, press tab, and go to face mode and select the particular faces. like that. Then you have to extrude these faces like this. You can as E to extrude, as you can see that our basic model is ready. Then we just have to join this wing to the core. Let's do that. First of all, we go to the pressing G and Y, move the wing closer. As we can see that we perfectly join the wing to the arm of the core. Then what we have to do that just select this, press I, E to extrude, then press select these two faces, press I, squeeze like that, and then press EX to move your vertices, and then again press I to squeeze, and press EX again to take back, like that. Press I, E to extrude, S to scale it like that. Same we have to just do like that. E to extrude and S to scale, then I to make it small. You need to take it back like that. Isn't it looking amazing? You just have to do this with the downside also. Like this, press I, extrude, Has to scale. I think this design is looking amazing. So what we can do extra in this that we just selected these faces like here, these four faces. And after selecting that, press I, then E, and I, then E, like that. Then again I, and E. We can also just select alternate faces and do the same design here, like that. It's perfect. Okay, then in the code, we just press tab and add subdivision surface modifier, increase it to 3. You can see that oh, there is little bit mess problem here. So let's solve it. Press tab or this tab. Just feel that. And to make the circle more smoother, we have to just add the loop cuts here. And loop cut here, and here, and just try. Okay, now it is looking awesome. You can just also add a bevel modifier here. As you can see how good our mesh is looking. Now just press tab. I think just adding more control. here. Let's control that. And add locals like this. Okay, let's see how it is. It's not now. Look is not look is now accurate now. I guess adding a little bit more control. You can add extra loops where you can find that this area is this area have to be more boxy like that. And then I think that the other area is okay. So let's add mirror modifier here. There is mirror modifier, mirror. Yeah, I got this. I have to just add mirror modifier here like this. And there is no need of bubble modifier. Now what we have to do is press this Shift D, G, Y and press it here. Now you can see that our spaceship is completed. So